Good morning, students. Today in this video we are going to discuss chapter 14, electric current and its effect. This chapter is taken from grade 7 NCERT book and subject is science. The topics that we are going to cover in this video are symbols of electric components, heating effect of electric current, magnetic effect of current, electromagnet and electric bell. So let's start with symbols of electric component. As you can see here, the first one is about electric cell. So this is the symbol for the electric cell is there are two vertical lines. One is longer in compared to other. So the larger one is for the positive terminal and the smaller one will be for negative terminal. The next one is for electric bulb. So here you can see that in electric bulb there is a curved wire that looks like M. Then the next one is about switch on and off. So the first is off position. So a switch, if it is not connected, then it shows switch off. And if the wires are connected properly, then it is switch on. So when the 2 points are not connected, then it will be switch off, and if the points are connected with each other, then it's switch on. Then next is about the battery. So battery is combination of two or more cells, and the cell can be connected in two ways, like in a series or in a parallel way. Then the last is, but not the least, wire. So what is a wire? A wire is connecting wires which are simply represented by a single straight line, and most of the time these wires are made up of copper and they are used to connect various electric components in the circuit. Now here you can see there are two different circuits. At one it is written closed and another one that is open circuit. So what do we mean by closed and open circuit? So if the electric circuit is complete and there is no breaks in the circuit, then such a circuit is called a closed circuit, and if there is a break in the circuit, it becomes incomplete. So such an incomplete circuit is called an open circuit. So it is clearly visible where the circuit is closed, the bulb is glowing because there is no break in that, and where there is a break, so it's open circuit, and here the bulb will not glow. Then here you can see there are images of two devices. One is galvanometer and another one is voltmeter. So the presence and the direction of flow of electric current is detected by galvanometer, and the potential difference is measured by the device voltmeter. And what is the SI unit of electric current? So the SI unit of electric current is ampere, and the SI unit for potential difference is volts. So ampere is represented by capital A and volts is symbolized by capital V. Now the next topic that we are going to discuss, that is heating effect of electric current. So what do we mean by heating effect of electric current? So when an electric current flows through a wire and the wire gets heated up. Larger the current and more is the heat produced. So electric current energy is converted into heat energy. And the applications based on heating effect of electric current are devices like here you can see the heater, iron, or the electric heater that is used for cooking, and toaster. And the amount of heat produced in a wire, it depends on the material and the length and the thickness. Now the next is fuse and MCB. You might have seen both. Nowadays the MCBs can be easily visible at house also, and earlier people used this electric fuse. So it's a very important application. And a fuse, what do we mean by fuse? It's a safety device to protect an electric circuit. And in fuse, a piece of wire whose melting point is low is used. So, and but when the current exceeds the permitted value, the fuse wire gets heats up and melt, and because of its low melting point, the circuit breaks and current flow stops. Now, MCB is also a safety device, and the full form of MCB is miniature circuit breaker. So, I hope now it is clear, and the same work the MCBs do. They prevent the circuit for any electric short circuit. Now, the magnetic effect of electric current. So, here you can see the picture of the scientist. He was the one who find out that a magnetic effect of electric current. So, what is magnetic effect of electric current? When an electric current passes through a coil of insulated wire wrapped around a soft iron bar. Here you can take a nail also. Then the iron behaves like a magnet. So this effect is known as magnetic effect of electric current. Then the next topic that we are going to discuss, that is electronic magnet. So what do we mean by electronic magnet? So an electromagnet is a soft metal core transformed into a magnet by a passage of electric current through a coil surrounding it. Here you can see that the coil is surrounding on the nail, and then this is connected to the positive and negative terminal of the cell. Then the next one is electric bell. So what do we mean by electric bell, or what are the things which are the different parts? So it consists of an electromagnet and a vibrating armature piece that oscillates in front of it. It consists of some important parts, like here you can see soft iron armature, then spring is there, gong is there, electromagnet, then adjusting screw and hammer. So these are some different parts of electric bell. So one end of the armature winding is connected to terminal T1 and the other to a spring. Here you can see how they are connected, and this strip is mounted on a soft iron strip and rod is attached to the armature, and the free end of the rod carries a small hammer that strikes a bell. So striker here you can see. Now these are the different things that were there in this chapter. I hope now it is clear that what are the different things which is given in this chapter electric current and its effect. Thank you.